Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add a video that plays as you scroll in Elementor. As you scroll down, the video plays forward, and if you scroll up, it plays in reverse. Once the video completes, the next section appears smoothly, making your website dynamic and interactive, all for free using a simple add-on. You can upload multiple videos and display them anywhere on your site. The plugin handles the scroll effect automatically using GSAP and ScrollMagic, and it's fully responsive, works on mobile too. The video will fill the entire section like a background, making it perfect for intro, product, or explainer videos. Let's dive in and see it in action. First, install the Video on Scroll Manager plugin. Download link is in the description below. This lightweight add-on lets you upload multiple videos in the backend, and each video automatically gets its own shortcode. That means you can easily insert them anywhere on your Elementor pages without any hassle. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and upload the plugin zip file. Install and activate it. Once activated, you'll see a new Video on Scroll menu appear in your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your scroll videos. Click the Add Video button. You can either select a video that's already in your media library or upload one from your computer. Keep your videos around 10 to 15 seconds long for the best effect. For optimal results, use 720p MP4 or WebM format. Both formats work perfectly with this add-on. Later, I'll show you how to easily convert your MP4 videos to different format. I've added 2 videos, and as you can see, the plugin has automatically generated unique shortcodes for each. Now let's see how we can use these shortcodes inside the Elementor builder. Copy the video shortcode and open your page in Elementor. Add a full width section and make sure to remove any margin and padding from the container. Next, add an Elementor shortcode widget inside the section, paste your video shortcode, and save the changes. That's it, your video will now appear and play as you scroll. The video preview won't show on the backend page. We've disabled it to make editing smoother and faster. Here you go, your uploaded video is now live on the front end with the awesome scroll effect. As you can see, the scroll functionality is working perfectly. The video plays forward when you scroll down and reverses when you scroll up, syncing perfectly with the speed of your scrolling. This creates a smooth, interactive experience where the video responds in real time to your movement, making your website feel dynamic and engaging. Now, let's try the second shortcode. Simply replace the old shortcode with the new one, and your second video will be ready to show. You can also place it anywhere on your page, not just the header section, and it will work exactly the same. Now, let me explain a bit more about the video formats that work best. Using the right format ensures the scroll effect runs smoothly and your videos look great on your site. If you have an MP4 video, you can convert it to WebM using this website, or any other online converter you like. But don't worry, MP4 files will work perfectly fine too. That's it for today's video. I showed you how to add a video that plays on scroll in Elementor. If you have any questions about this add-on, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for future updates. I'll be adding more features to this simple but powerful plugin. Make sure to try it out on your own website. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other related videos. Links are on the screen now.